Hi everyone, I am Carlos from CA2 Security. Today I want to show you how we're using our new web-based SaaS application powered by our new partner, ChaosTrack, to help organizations be ready for cyber incidents using intelligence to run cybersecurity tabletop games. I'll give you context on the scenario that you're about to see. This attack is done by the group called Silent Ransom Group, also known as Lunamoth, which has consistently targeted US-based law firms since the spring of 2023. By means of social engineering, victims are instructed to call the threat actor, who then emails them with a link which they use to install remote access software, which gives them access to the machine so they can exfiltrate data. Let's see how I do as I progress through this short game. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and give us a like. All right, here's the situation. The managing partner of the firm forwarded an email to us, to the CISO, saying that a threat actor got a bunch of data from clients from different things. So the system here, ChaosTrack, is asking me, what would you like to do now? So first, I'm gonna just do some soft investigation, call on the managing partner, get more information, check the help desk ticket, etc. And so to start my investigation and confirming things. So with this information that I get from this partner, then I think now it's time to start a more of a thorough investigation, and I'm going to be looking at different logs to investigate and see what did that lead us to in the investigation. There's no incident at this point. We're investigating this event. Okay, so now we have this information. There is a machine that is running TeamViewer, uh, which is not a sanctioned application of the firm. And according to Arctic Wolf, we're seeing that there is some weird authentication things. We open the ticket and we are asking, checking DLP system for any additional information. So that's what I'm doing now. And let's see what I say. But basically, I'm also at the same time going to isolate that machine. And so there seems to be some large data transfer from this machine to an external IP. So I'm definitely going to isolate the machine and reset passwords and MFA token. I'm also now, obviously, once that's done, the next step for me is going to be to uh, officially start the incident response plan. So at that point, we're briefing different people, bringing the team together. Let's say I don't know what to do next because I get stuck. I don't have my incident response plan with me, which all of these prompts are coming from the incident response plan that we fed the system with. So I want to get a hint, and I'm going to get penalized, but I really do want to know what to do next. And in this case, it's telling me considering different situations, different things to do. I want to actually get with the general counsel and potentially and advise that we file an insurance claim, which is done now. And the system will keep prompting you based on your responses and actions on what you will do next. But at this point, I think you get a good idea of what the system can do, how it can improve your incident response preparation. And so I'm going to end the game. And then you'll get a report. We'll go through that in another video. But if you like this session, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. Thank you.